Okay, so this is how to essentially try to suggestion to fix the network. So I have this code, which one that I tend to use every time my network is slow. And this one I'm a little bit unsure of. I haven't actually tried that one, but just a few suggestions if this first one doesn't work. So what I do is I just copy this sudo systemctl restart NetworkManager, and that's what you essentially write in the terminal. So if I just look it up, let's see here, if I just paste it here, the code, and then I just click enter and I just type in the password, and basically the network should pop up right here. So yeah, it's a little short video, but that's basically how we do it. So let me know if it works for you. That's basically what I do every time my internet is slow or something. So let me know what you think. Thank you for listening, and bye.